Sony PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB price in India cut, now available at 27,990 rupees. Sony has reduced the price of its PlayStation 4 console in India yet again, but it is applicable only on the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB model. Unlike the price cut that was announced a couple of months ago, the latest price reduction on the PlayStation 4 is part of a limited time offer. Following the price cut, the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB is now reportedly available at 27,990 rupees in India. However, some online stores and multiple offline retailers are selling the PlayStation 4 Slim's 1TB model at Rs. 1,000 cheaper in India. As per a report from the Mako Reactor, which cites information received from multiple retailers, the price of the PS4 Slim 1TB has been reduced to Rs. 27,990, down from its older asking price of 29,990 rupees in India. The new price is applicable for all bundles being sold in India. The report adds that the price cut on the PS4 Slim 1TB model is part of a limited time offer, which started on December 24 and ends on February 29 next year. Gadgets 360 reached out to multiple Sony center outlets in New Delhi, and can confirm the price cut on the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB console. However, the console is available at an even cheaper asking price of 26,990 rupees at numerous stores, and with free games as part of a bundle. However, two of them told Gadgets 360 that the limited time price cut will only be live until December 31, 2019. Some of the PS4 Slim 1TB bundles we asked about offered 4 games, while the rest offered 3 games or even just a single title. We have reached out to Sony India for confirmation and will update this story when we hear back. Likewise, the asking price of 26,990 rupees for the PlayStation Slim 1TB bundle is now available on multiple e-commerce platforms in India. Amazon is selling the PlayStation Slim 1TB Mega Pack bundle, and it includes God of War, Uncharted 4, and Horizon Zero Dawn. Flipkart is offering the vanilla PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB bundle at 26,990 rupees. The PlayStation Slim 1TB bundle with Detroit Being Human, God of War, The Last of Us, and Fortnite is up for grabs at 26,990 rupees on the Paytm Mall as well. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.